This is the third in a series of videos produced for this project, showing highlights of the tunneling work, building of the twin tunnels in York region. Here is a view of the extraction shaft, where tunnel boring machines Yorkie and Torquay finished their tunnel drives between Highway 407 and Pioneer Village stations. Torquay finished its drive, breaking through a weakened concrete wall into a deep shaft, more than 21 meters below the surface. The foam spray from the machine cutting head is used to soften the soil as the machine digs through the ground. Yorkie built the second tunnel between Highway 407 and Pioneer Village stations, finishing its work in the same shaft. Yorkie broke through its head wall in a dramatic breakthrough, to cheers of workers at the site. The tunnels in York region are all being built from the Highway 407 station site. All the materials needed to operate the tunnel boring machines is lowered by cranes to be taken into the machine by specialized train. The concrete tunnel ring segments are brought into the tunnel to the segment unloading area and then moved into position for each ring build. The segment unloader moves each segment into the ring build area. The operator's cabin contains screens and control panels to guide the tunnel building operation. Watch as the machine pushes forward using thrust jacks anchored against the last ring build. The next ring is installed. As the machine builds the tunnel, many pieces of equipment must be extended, like rails, walkways, and conveyors. An efficient conveyor system is used to remove the excavated earth from the tunnel boring machine. This system brings earth from the conveyor inside the tunnel boring machine to a long conveyor that travels through the already built tunnel, into the tunneling shaft, onto a third conveyor, which takes the earth up over 18 meters to the surface, where it is put into trucks to be hauled away. This continuous removal of earth allows the TBM to move forward right after each ring is built. Using this method, the contractor has been able to build up to 30 rings, or 45 meters, in 24 hours. The last two tunnel drives were started in August 2013. Yorkie started from the north end of the Highway 407 site and finished its drive on October 7th. Yorkie has completed its work, building this final section of the northbound tunnel. The final section of tunnel was built using Torquay. Beginning its last tunnel drive in September, Torquay finished on November 8th, completing the connection to the future Vaughan Metropolitan Center Station, the northernmost station of the extension. With completion of this last tunnel drive, the project has reached a major milestone. 100% of the twin tunneling is complete. Torquay will now be disassembled and removed, and the tunnels cleared for the next stages of construction. Building subway tunnels using tunnel boring machines is a challenging and complicated endeavor. We hope you have enjoyed seeing some of the inner workings of the complex machines used to build this project. You can continue to follow the progress of this major TTC project at spadina.ttc.ca.